Hello friends, so it is my pleasure to welcome you to another interesting class in our corelDRAW masterclass. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and hello friends, so it is my pleasure to welcome you to another interesting class in our corelDRAW masterclass. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and I believe so much you are learning one or two things in my online masterclass in graphics. So however, in today's class I'm going to teach you how you can create a postcard design in corelDRAW. For the purpose of some people who have never heard about postcard design in the past, postcard design is part of marketing design, and it's also fall under the category of print design. And most countries that make use of postcard design are US, UK, and European country. Postcard design, you can use any type of software to create it. All you have to do is to make sure that you create it in a print design layout and print color mode. But in this practical class, we are going to use corelX7 to create this particular postcard design tutorial. So now, without wasting much of our time, so let's get to the practical class started. First thing we need to do is to go here and click on File to make a new page size, and click on New. Now we need to come here to set up the page, and here is going to be travel agency postcard design, right? It can be any sector, but for this tutorial we are using a travel agency. So this is the size, 29 by 21 inch. Then the color should always be CMYK, and the resolution should always be 300. Finally, come down below here and click on OK. So alright, so we have just done with the layout setting of postcard design in corelDRAW. So the next thing we are going to do is to come to the toolbar here, double click here to create a page border. So having created a page border, then the next step is to look for our pen tools. Now I'm going to, for the purpose of people that doesn't know much about how you can master pen tools, so I'm going to show you some techniques whereby you can use to make curve in pen tools, using pen tool rather. So now I will start from this point, just follow the step. Then I will make a stroke like this, straight down. Then I'll press Ctrl key down to cut. Now, this stroke here, I'm going to convert it to curve. It's because of the people that doesn't know much about pen tool. That is why I'm trying to show you all this simple step. Otherwise, I will just make my path straight away. Now, the next thing you have to do is to come to the toolbar here, select your shape tools. This is shape tools here. So when you select your shape tools, then you come to any point where you need to make some curve, then right click like this and look for convert to curve. That is it. Now I can drag to any position of my choice. So I think I'm taking it this way, and taking this way, and this way, this way. So this depends on the kind of curve you are trying to achieve. So I think I'm satisfied with this. It's just a simple curve. But if you are still not satisfied, you go back to the shape tools, then drag it all over like this, and you drag it all over, then you can still continue like this. So you can still continue to make some curve like this, and like this. Now I will click once just to rotate. So I'm going to rotate this curve like this. Then I will select my move tool, then shift key and drag it out so that everything come outside the the part. Okay, so I'm satisfied with this kind of curve. So one other thing I'm going to do next is that I will have to select my smart fill. Now I will fill this place, then I'm going to fill this place. Now I'm going to make sure that I will select the top here. I'm using a 100% black. You can see. Now here I'm going to just select this and delete. So I'm going to delete the stroke. So here I'm going to select the second shape, and I will look for my smart fill here. Interactive fill. Then my fonting, I will change the direction this way, right? Then I will click on this point here, and I'm going to change the color. So let me see. I'm using this type of blue. Then I will come here and click on here. Then I'll select my eye color dropper. Now I will pick this sky blue here. Good. So you can see I'm satisfied with this color scheme. Now I want to do one thing. I will try to save this file so that in case my corelDRAW crash, I don't lose every file. So I'll go to File, and I'm going to save it in my desktop. Click on Save. All right. Okay, the file is still saving. I see it here. So it's still saving. Now, okay, it has been saved full. So the next thing I'm going to do is to import the picture I'm using for this design. So I have to come to the Home tab here, click on this icon. This simply means an import icon. Then I will look for my picture. This is a picture I'm going to use for the design. Then all the picture I'm going to use should be travel agency picture, because the design is centralized for travel business agency. So I'm selecting this, that's about 4. So let me see if 5 picture can go at a time. I'm selecting that. I need a city background. I'm selecting this, then click on import. That's 1. And 2. Is 3. Is 4. Okay. This is 5. So lastly, the city background. Okay, so I'm going to drag it out of the surface of the design. Okay, so I'll select the city background now, and then I will go to my effects, power clip, place inside frame. Okay, and I'll edit power clip. Alright, so I'll select the city background. I'll press P to centralize. Okay, so you can see we still need to move the picture to the top a little bit, so you can just drag it to the top. Alright, so what I need to do here now is to blend this background. So let me still take it up a little bit. Okay, so what I need to do is to blend this picture with the black background. So how do we do that? We have to go to toolbar here, select my transparent fill. Then after select my transparent fill, I will come to the top here. I will select fonting. Okay, so I can change the direction of the blend. I think it will be very good if the direction can come this way. Okay, so I think I'm satisfied with this direction, and what I will do now next is that I can scroll down. Okay, then I have to click on this point here, and let's see the results. Okay, very good. So this is the kind of things I'm trying to achieve right here. So now what I need again now is to come to the toolbar here. I'll select circle. So having select circle, then I'll press Ctrl key down to draw a perfect circle. So the first one I need is big one. So I'll have to place it right here. Now I'll fill it with white. Then I will right click to remove stroke. Now I have to make a duplicate of this circle, then shift key and drag in. Then I'll place with my right click. Now let me change the color to black. Oh, so that's what I need. This picture right here is going to power clip inside this black shape. So I'll have to go to the effect, power clip, place inside this frame here. Very good. So I will edit the power clip now. So to avoid a corelDRAW crash, let's quickly save the file. So I have to go to file, so that I save, so I don't lost any file. This is very much important when you are doing your design. Always save the file. So click on save yes. So if anything happen at the long run, I'm very much safe. So let's wait for corelDRAW to save the file, then we continue with the class.